Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to review another binary option signal service, Obsignals. As you can see, I've already opened up the Codex web trading platform for binary options, and I'm going to use the Obsignals binary option signals for trading on this platform and use their demo account. So I'm not gonna risk a penny, but I'm just gonna show you how it works. Alright, as you might already know, Obsignals is an Google Chrome extension, and you can easily add it to your Google Chrome, and it's completely free. So I'm gonna open up the extension by clicking on it, and yes, here's Obsignals. As you can see, there are top binary options brokers that are partners with Obsignals. These top four, like Codex, IQ Option, Pocket Option, Xnova, and so on. And you can really choose to open a broker account for free on these platforms and have $10,000 demo account, which I already have on my Codex account. And yeah, as you can see on the left hand side, there are binary option signals, but I will explain the menu first. You can choose the signal time frame. It's both 1 minute and 5 minutes, so I will switch to 1 minute. And you can select your time zone based on where you live. So that's it, and we'll wait for the next signal. For example, if it's a 1 minute signal or if it's a 5 minute signal, let's see when the next 5 minute signal will be available. All right, it will be available in about 4 minutes, so we'll wait and execute it and see how it turns out. Alright guys, here's the new signal. It's for $yen, and it's a put signal that we should execute like 4 minutes later, and the expiry time is 5 minutes. So this is also really important, and it's the signal accuracy, and it shows how much you can rely on this signal to trade. Alright, we will wait till the time arrives and we will execute the trade. But of course guys, you can also set a pending trade using the Codex platform, but I prefer to see the market reaction myself and then enter the trade right when the moment arrives. So bear with me and we will wait until the time arrives. Alright guys, I'm gonna execute the trade right now. I've waited 30 seconds just to see how the chart reacts, but I think I will execute right now because I'm gonna trust Obsignals. So let's go. As you can see, I've set the expiration time to 5 minutes and the investment amount to $100, which is 1% of my demo account, which was initially $10,000. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, this trade was a loser, and it's really odd because it's the first signal we've decided to trade, but unluckily it was a loser. So there are other signals available also on the platform, and let's see if there are any 1 minute signals available. Alright, I don't think so, but looking at the 5 minute signals, maybe we can try another signal. But first, let's see when is the time of the execution for each signal. Okay, and we can't even execute this one right now, so it's on euro dollar, and we're not that late. We're only 1 minute late. So if I can quickly navigate to the euro dollar chart, and the expiration time is set to 5 minutes, the investment amount to $100, and okay, here's the chart. If it's really taking a long time, all right, let's trade it. Alright guys, the second trade was a winner, and yeah, so this is how you can trade with Obsignals binary option signals. And you can check out other binary option signal services. We've done a lot of comprehensive reviews on platforms like the Codex signal generator and the Pocket option signals generator, which we also have a video on, so make sure to watch that video also. And of course, remember to test these binary option signal services on demo accounts first, for example using Pocket Option and Codex. I will leave links in the description to both services, and you can use them for free to test your binary option signal services and strategies. So that's it for today, and thank you. See you next time.